Yo, one leg banded, shoulders elevated, hip thrust, hammering the glutes also because we just opened up the hip flexors and the banded hip flexions. They should be getting more motion through the hip, and you do work the top leg hip flexor of your non-support leg, bottom leg glute. So the band attached right above the knee gives you resistance to bottom glute and top hip flexor, creates space separation. We're gonna do 90 seconds each leg, eccentric-isometric tempo, start weak side, and emphasize range of motion here. So big focus on any sort of hip thrusting. You want the chin tucked, abs crunched, ribs, shoulders down, and we want to do everything we can to avoid when your head goes back, you're prone to hyperextending. So we actually want to, it might look like you're not going as high as someone who goes like this, all right? You know that dude in the club. Otherwise, we're locked in tight here. I'm going to come up. I'm still getting full range, but I got that posterior pelvic tilt. Abs crunched, engaged. I'm going to hold for 1, 2, lower, 2, 3, 4. Never letting that foot rest, so it's constant tension. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you feel the hamstring starting to cramp up on you, what it probably means is that that leg is too far in front of the body. So you can bring the leg closer. That's going to shut the hamstring off more and force you to get more glute and actually quad. So the shoulders elevated hip thrust is going to get more of a quad and glute emphasis, mainly glutes. All right, and you're doing that all the way through. This is also one of those movements, by the way. No matter what, if I just go body weight, mini band, even just body weight, it never gets